Hi, I'm Jenny Lobb with OSU Extension. Today we're making Three Sisters stew, and we'll be showing you how to safely select, store, prepare, cook, chill, and serve food safely in the classroom. Note that these standards are required for early child care centers for licensing purposes, but they are helpful tips for any educator when cooking in the classroom. If you're using canned items, you can rinse or wipe off the top of the can before opening and then open it carefully. Today we're making Three Sisters stew, a CACFP credible recipe made with local foods. You can use fresh, frozen, or canned items in this stew. If you are using fresh, you want to make sure to select quality produce without bumps or bruises. If you're using meat in your recipe, you can use fresh or frozen. If you're using frozen, make sure to thaw it in the refrigerator the night before or under cold running water. When you're ready to start cooking, you will cut your fresh vegetables. Turn on your electric burner. Make sure, of course, to keep kids away from the heating source, and then add your ingredients to the pot. When your soup is done cooking, you can turn off the skillet and let it cool for 1 to 2 minutes before plating. When you're ready to store any leftovers, you can put them in a shallow airtight container and then chill it in the refrigerator for up to a few days. You'll want to clean any of your dishes in a 3-part sink with 1 to 2 pans, hot water, and soap to sanitize. If you have food safety questions, reach out to your local Department of Job and Family Services or your local county health department. If you have questions about foods that are credible for meals, reach out to your food program specialist. And if you have nutrition or gardening questions, you can reach out to your local extension office. Note that these licensing requirements should be followed in all early care education programs, but they are good tips for any food safety educators.